Good evening, thanks for watching. This is another silver video, Gas Buddy versus NetDanya. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the ratios of the gas price to the gold and silver price. I know this looks like a mess, but alright, really brief, quick overview. The history of the gas prices. Alright, so on Christmas we had an average of $3.17 at the pump per gallon. Way back here, remember the high was in 2008. We had a national average of $4.12 a gallon during July 2008. So what I did is for each of these key dates in gas, whenever there was a shift or a turn, I found out what the average price was at that time, and then I looked up the silver to gold ratio to the silver to gold, and then I made the ratios to the gas. So at this date, gold was at an average of 66. So we got 208 to 1. You sell an ounce of gold, you should get 208 gallons of gas. If you know your miles per gallon, that might be a good thing to think about. And then 4 to 1 for silver. So anyway, there's a lot to go over right here. So what I did was, on the next page, I made a little chart here. So I'm going to analyze this real quick, and we're going to find out what we're supposed to be looking for. Alright, so I'm going to try to find the high. Alright, and it looks like we got him here. Here-ish. I'm going to try to find the low. Alright, we got that. We got that. What do you think the average is? Looks like 400-ish, maybe high 3s. Well, yeah, I would go with this 386 might be the average. So here's what we got here. We got these are our lows. Let's go with 200 as the extreme low. And let's go with 225 as the extreme low, and 525 as the extreme high, and 386 in the middle. Okay, we'll come back to this in a second. Alright, so with the silver, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so this is pretty extreme. And here's our other extreme. So we got a 2.6 down at the bottom. And we got 10 to 1 at the top. What do you think the average is? Well, the median of these would be around like 6 or 7-ish. Let's see what the averages over here look like. It looks like 7 is very frequent. Yeah, we got like an 8, we got a 5, we got a 4. I'll go with 7. That should be our, so 386 and 7. We'll call them the equilibrium ratio. And this is a signal for when you should buy the metals, save gas, because gas is expensive when priced in terms of gold or silver. And if you think about it, ideally everything, the price of everything should be expressed in gold. It used to be, and we're not on that right now, but we're only going to get away with that for so much longer. There's going to be a serious run on gold and silver after the economic collapse and all that stuff, if you believe in that. Anyway, that's why I don't like looking at history before too long ago, because all trends really point to all this stuff completely exploding. And that's not something you want to bank on. I mean, do you really want to be rooting for the end of the world as we know it? It depends on who you are. Okay, so we have our bimetals save gas, we have our equilibrium ratio, and when you get something closer to these, that's when you should be selling the metals and buying gas, which doesn't really make too much sense, I know, because your car can only fit so much gas. So after you buy the gas, what do? Buy gas for your friends? You know, start doing taxi stuff? Start doing pizza delivery? Sell your gold and silver and deliver pizza. But then when the ratios swing back over to here, because you know they're volatile, they flip around, so it will flip back over to here, and that's when you just stop driving. You quit your pizza delivery job, you quit your taxi job, you just stay at home, sell stuff on eBay, and try to do banner advertising on your videos, and just buy the metals. Don't buy the gas. Alright, so now that we have these magic numbers, we're going to find out what we're looking at for March 2012. What do we got? Where are we at today? Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.